lalaki nyo yung neta. Pasang sa ilalim. Kalas. There's a whistle at Pinya foul. Okay, who's foul rep? Number 9.
Bola tamang lalawin nyo lang yan.
Jersey number 28, Kalas.
Bola.
Okay, force is not to run. Yes, good.
Dalamin eh.
Oh, dadalakin. Anak ko yun.
Ganyan talaga benda.
At traveling, balik ang bola sa Wampapang. Ito man, putang isap ko nina eh. Sabi mo.
Yan, jogging nor. Jogging Marisol lang.
Pangiligyan
Yung ID Jomar.
Pangiligyan niya kasi. Up! Okay, baseline tayo. Balik ang bola sa backdoor selection. Okay, Jason na tayo. Okay na. Natawagan na. Ah. Baseline yung mga tawag natin. Ito ang ginagawa, Maya.
Hindi. Hindi na nung wait. Elevator na nila na.
Kailangan tayo ito. Yung sa muna lang, sigilan nyo na po.
Yapi.
Nalagi lang.
Foto pa ng buwan daw.
Sige,
Para
ito
sa
sa
Dono.
Ha?
Palas daw, tsaka 50 tao. Tani dyan, linaw.
Good, good one. Good. Big out. Wow, number 10. No good. Okay, takbo ng backdoor selection. Number 9. Number 6, good for 2. 4-5. Here's number 21. 5-4, official score. Shot clock down to 14. The last. Yes, good for 2. Seven, 4. Number 5, Makimura from downtown. 3. Murakami.
May palinis ko rin.
Ha?
May palinis ko rin ko tayo na kumagano lang.
May palinis ko rin court. May palinis yung Boss Peng. Deadlock. Okay, so traveling. Balik ang bola sa selection. Backdoor selection. Okay. Jersey number 6. Give the ball. Pass to jersey number 1. You're now. Rebound by jersey number 4. Jersey number 02. Pass to number 28. The last. There's a whistle. Foul jersey number 9. Number 9. First version of foul. First foul. 40 seconds on the shot clock. Shot clock 14. 14 on the shot clock. Fourteen on the shot clock. Good. Team ball. 14 on the shot clock.
Deadlock, 7-all.
Block the shoot. 10 on the shot clock. Pull up game. Good for 2 by jersey number 21. There's a whistle. Foul jersey number 2. First personal foul, first team foul. Number 5, first personal is good. Murakami.
Galing pan Chicago.
Chicago Bulls. Second thrower, hits. Good. Deadlock.
Meganda.
Get ready, second 5.
May tala na bola. Side.
From downtown and out.
So good.
Gandang rebound ni jersey number 2.
Pass game is good.
11-9.
Eto na si Mr. Quintana. Pass muna.
Get ready. Second pass.
Nice.
Now there's a whistle again. Who's power rep?
Gamit ang jersey number.
Jersey number 8. Change 5.
Buti ba may 90 mo niya?
29. 28.
90.
First personal foul. Second team foul.
90.
90 mo.
But, buti mo niya.
Ano naman kanyan? Denver.
Tama yan.
Oo, 90. Basta 20, 120. Mag-cross na kayo. Lang cross.
Order in the shot clock. 12 to shoot. Jersey number 1. From downtown. Real. Team
Pwede
Timor.
na mas din mag-cross ni Gaman.
Wow. 12-11.
Ipit na.
Order in the shot clock. You're out. Wala nang backdoor selection. Jersey number 7. Uy! Kasali pala yung referee. Anim sila. Bigyan na. Technical niya.
Nasaan di si Rayban?
Inasahan ang bola.
Alon sa sign pass.
Jersey number 13. Back to jersey number 14.
Pula po. Sign.
Order on the shot clock.
Jay!
Good for 2 by jersey number 12.
13 goal. One score.
Change people. So 13-12. Number 8. Holland J. Is good.
Change river na naman tayo dito.
Balikan kalamang ulit sa selection Macdo.
Eto na si Mr. Alonso. During the ball.
Jersey number 30. Pass to jersey number 14.
Boss Kahipon.
Reset is so good.
Rebound niya ni
Follow
Ben.
up. There's a result.
Rizal, foul committed.
Okay, foul jersey number 8. First personal foul. Second team foul. Shot la. 2 shot. And 2 shot. 2 shot.
No good.
It's not good.
Second shot. Second shot, Ventura.
It's good. Get block. Kasama sa ilalim. Okay, balik ang bola sa Juan Pampang.
Eto na si Mr. Ventura.
Full pass, number 14.
Drop off.
And then steal, another steal, and then steal, another steal. Okay, who's score rep? Jersey number 18.
Mr. Ventura.
First personal foul. Second foul. Jersey number 7, dig out jersey number 8. Robbling,
Traveling violation.
robbling.
Mag-step, play talaga.
2 minutes and 40. Just first minute. Number 18 is a good. Sa kanya para rebound. Dig out. Jersey number 30. From downtown here now. Kanina bola. C-ball. 40 seconds on the shot clock. 40 seconds to shoot. Shot clock 14. 40 on the shot clock. Naka-play. Number 12. Fake. 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 Shot. Good for 2. By jersey number 12.
16-14.
Jersey number 1. May foul tayo. Okay, foul. Jersey number 17. First personal foul, 13 foul. First free throw is a good. Ready jumper. 2 minutes 06. The first minute. 16-40 official score. Nabangawang Pampang. Laban sa Macdo selection. Airball.
Pito ka, Chef. Pito ka ito pag airball. Pito ka. Pag Pag airball yung mga pito ka.
Kaya hindi. Halika, halika.
Coach, dyan ang ka-coach. Pagkatamber.
Abot lang kami. He's a traveling. Time out. Time out. Good. Another steal. Number 18, pass number 14. Good job. All ball, all ball. There's a whistle. Who's fouled up? Number 23.
Dem. Di ka dama, di ka dama.
First personal foul, 13 foul. 1 minute and 13. Which has scored 18-14.
Alonso, Alonso. Diyan mo lang.
No good? Good pass. Traveling. Last 50 seconds. Good pa rin yan. The steal. Number 8, pass Jason 1. That's a count.
May isang.
Apinya foul. Foul Jason number 30.
Luwan mo na.
First personal foul, warning to penalty. Less than 91, Jason 1. No good?
0 out of 2.
Number 14, pass number 12.
Alonso, there's a whistle.
There's a whistle, foul jersey number 18. First personal foul, warning to penalty.
Out of bounds.
Last 30 seconds. Yes, so good. Ano? Ayan. Ano eh?
Umigapan. Umigapan.
Yes, so good again.
Ilang taon?
Last 25 seconds.